Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh So today's topic is Crdroid 5.1 on MI1 review. So let's see the about phone. As you can see, the Android version is 9.0, Crdroid version is 5.1. The Android security patch is of 5 February. The vendor security patch is of 5 February. And the kernel version is 4.9, that is Extreme Infinity kernel. So let's get to the customizations. In display settings, there is nothing to customize. Just double tap to wake, double tap to sleep, on lock, on status bar, etc. The main customizations here are in the Crdroid settings. Here you get many customizations. See status bar, quick settings, lock screen, recents, navigation button. It is similar to the Resurrection Remix settings. So in status bar you get status bar icons, clock style, clock and date, super user icon, 4G icon, roaming indicator, volt indicator, Bluetooth battery status, battery customizations, that is battery style, battery percentage, battery bar, logo, and gesture, double tap to sleep, quick pull down, smart pull down, and then quick settings, Bluetooth battery status, rows and columns, portrait and landscape respectively, vibrate on touch, miscellaneous, and then lock screen, weather, music visualizer, media cover art, and battery info, face auto unlock, double tap to sleep, fingerprint authentication vibration, and power menu. And in recent style, recent icon pack, and AOSP settings. Means if you select this on AOSP, the settings will be available. And navigation bar and pie control. And in navigation bar, smart bar, fling, and stock settings. In buttons, disable hardware keys, backlight, and accidental touch, and power menu customizations, and home button, back button, and recent button, then volume button customizations. Next is user interface. You get option of ambient display, then animations. You can choose animation for each and every open, close, etc. Each and every action. Then blur, then expanded desktop, then font. You can choose many fonts, then rounded corners, then style. In style you can choose accent color style, dark mode, notification style, quick setting style. See, I have selected wavy. You can see that it is wavy, but I'll show you. As you can see, then quick setting, header style, etc. Next is notification. In notification, blink, flashlight on call, 461 notification, then head up notification, etc. And in sound setting, charging sound, screenshot sound, volume panel. And in miscellaneous settings, suspend actions, wave lock blocker, alarm blocker, CPU info, media scanner, behavior on boot, toast icon, etc. So these are the customization in this room. The battery life of this room is pretty good. I got around 5 to 6 hours of screen on time. There is no bug in this room. I have tested this for around 2 days. There is no bug in this room. It is extremely smooth. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome video like this. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.